What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So Xiaomi is teasing Mi CC9 Pro. Along with that, it's also teasing a new smartwatch which will look more or less similar to Apple Watch, and Xiaomi is also gearing up for the launch of its new TV lineup, teasing the new Xiaomi Mi TV 5 series. But we are not here for that. We will take a look at all the leaked specs of Mi CC9 Pro, as this is going to be the next big thing. Not just that, it's speculated that the Mi Note 10 will be the international variant of Mi CC9 Pro. So this phone will be an interesting one. So with that being said, let's begin. For your information, the Xiaomi Mi CC9 series was introduced earlier this year. To recollect, the Mi CC9e launched as the Mi A3 in India a couple of months ago. Xiaomi is now all set to launch the Mi CC9 Pro on November 5th. For the time being, the smartphone will launch in Beijing, China. No details on India launch yet. So that sums up the launch date. Now let's get on with the specs. The main focus of this phone will be its cameras. The teaser reveals that the Mi CC9 Pro will come with 5 cameras on the back panel, where the primary will use a 108 megapixel image sensor. All the sensors will be lined up vertically on the left side, and apart from the interesting sensors, it's got 2 dual LED flashes, which is the first time I am seeing on any smartphone. Leaks suggest that the Mi CC9 Pro will come with 108 megapixel plus 32 megapixel plus 8 megapixel rear camera setup. The company has confirmed that the Mi CC9 Pro will come with 5x optical zoom lens, and I think the last one is time of flight sensor. On the front, leaks suggest that the Mi CC9 Pro is expected to sport a 32 megapixel selfie shooter. The 108 megapixel camera is not going to be a first, it is the same main shooter that can be seen in the Mi Mix Alpha. After all, it was developed jointly by Xiaomi and Samsung. As for the display, it looks like it will feature a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a water drop notch and in-display fingerprint scanner. Under the hood powering the device will be a mid-ranger Snapdragon 730G processor, but I'm on fence with this leak. They could have easily provided with flagship chipset and made this a flagship phone. All the specs are already high-end, then why not this chipset? Just something to think about. The Mi CC9 Pro is expected to be fueled with 4000 mAh battery with support for 20W fast charging. The leak also suggests that the Mi CC9 Pro will come with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Other features include Android 10 out of the box, IR Blaster, NFC, and it will weigh 180 grams. Also, the expected price tag will be Yuan 2599, which is approximately Rs 26,000. So that's the Mi CC9 Pro. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Peace out.